Well guys, just another wee review here. Hey, so having a couple of wee mealworms here. Hey, so the wee Mexican grey, she just nailed the mealworm there, she's got it in her jaws. Yeah, she's munching it now. There's a wee white one there and all. I don't think she's keen on them white ones. I'll need to get more mealworms because them ones are all starting to go all white and all that. You can only find the odd one or two maybe in it that's the brownie kind of coloured, goldy coloured, but the rest of them are all white or just wee shells. Yeah, she's munching away anyway. You can see her wee jaws going. I'll try and get the camera a wee bit closer. No, you can't really see for there. You're alright, don't worry, darling. It's alright. She did a wee jump there, I must have touched her or something. She's not letting go of her mealworm anyway. Well, that's how she's got it there anyway. She's still quite nervous looking, I think, though. Yeah, she's settled back down again. There's her having a munch now. Go on, wee girl. Right, she's munching anyway. I'll get another wee one after she's finished that one. She must be starving. I was giving her white ones and she wasn't even touching them at all. She wasn't even interested in them. The minute I put that gold one down, she fired on it, so I never even get time to get the camera on. She pounced on it that quickly, so she must be hungry. Wee soul. Anyway, that's a wee review. If I can, I'm going to get another wee mealworm in a wee minute, so if I can catch her pouncing on it, I'll get an wee review going of that, but otherwise, catch you after. Bye.